In today's video, we'll be looking at the progress taking place in Sabana Apartments in VISTACANA. Get comfortable because this video starts right now. Back in September 2023, I introduced to you Sabana Apartments in VISTACANA, a project that is related to Sabana Equestrian and Residences. The difference being that one is a project of villas and one is a project of apartments. In February 2025, I published a video showing updates on both projects. If you haven't seen these videos, I'll leave the links in the description below so you can watch them after today's presentation. A few days ago, I decided to head over to Sabana Apartments to check up on their progress, which is what you'll be seeing today. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy today's update on Sabana Apartments in VISTACANA Punta Cana. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos showcasing updates on numerous projects, I invite you to become a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the notification bell and choose the all option so you can get a friendly reminder that a new video had just been published on this channel. And please give these videos a thumbs up. These simple yet meaningful things will help this channel in its continuous growth. And share this information with others so they too can be up to date. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.